Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we're gonna have a look of how to use a polygon in SolidWorks. Let's begin by selecting the Polygon tool. Select your plane. As you can see, in the Property Manager, you'll be notice some options. At the parameters, the number 6 here represents the number of sides of the polygon. Click on this origin, and as you can see, I just create a polygon with 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can always change this number based on my preferences. The minimum size that I can put here is number 3. Press escape. In order to delete this polygon, I have to right click on it and select chain. Hold down the control key on the keyboard and delete them. Press delete key on the keyboard. Select the polygon again and type here 10. On the origin, and as you can see, I have the option to measure the polygon from the inner side or from the outside side of the circle of the polygon. Now, as I is switching from the one option to the other option, you will be notice that the symbol here is changing as well. You can also measure the polygon from here or by using Smart Dimension. As you can see, there are two ways that I can measure the polygon. I can measure the polygon from sides, for example, this side and this side here, or I can measure the polygon from points, for example, from here to here. Press escape. At the moment, my sketch is underdefined. In order to fully define my sketch, I have to click on one of these edges and select horizontal or vertical, doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time.